Book of Heaven, Volume 2, October 7th, 1899. How she sees Jesus indignant with the people. The state of victim holds back the chastisements. This morning, blessed Jesus was not coming, and I had to have much patience in waiting for him. In my interior, I kept saying, "My dear Jesus, come. Don't make me wait so much. I haven't seen you since last night, and now it is getting late and you are still not coming? See how much patience I have had in waiting for you. Oh, please. Do not let me. I reach the point of losing patience because of your long delay in coming, because then you would be the cause of it with your delays. Therefore come, for I can take no more." Now, while I was saying this and other nonsense, my only good came, but to my highest sorrow I saw him almost indignant with the people. Immediately I said to him, "My good Jesus, I pray you to make peace with the world." And he,
"Daughter, I cannot. I am like a king who wants to enter into a house, but that house is full of filthy things, of rot, and of many other dirty things. The king, as king, has the power to enter into it. There is no one who could prevent him, and he could even clean that house with his own hands. But he does not want to do it, because it is not decent for his royal person to descend to such lowness. And until that house is cleaned by others, in spite of the fact that he has the power, the will, and a great desire to the point of suffering for it, he will never deign to set foot in it. So I am. I am the king who can and wants, but I want their will. I want them to remove the rot of sins before I enter and make peace with them. No, it is not decent for my royalty to enter and make peace with them. On the contrary, I will do nothing but send chastisements. The fire of tribulation will inundate them everywhere, to the point of knocking them down, so that they may remember that a God exists, the only one who can help them and free them."
and I, interrupting his speaking, said to him, "Lord, if you want to lay hands to chastisements, I want to come. I don't want to be on this earth anymore. How will my heart be able to endure in seeing your creatures suffer?" And Jesus, assuming a benign appearance, told me,
"If you come, where shall I go to dwell on this earth? For now let us think about being together down here, for we will have much time to be in heaven, the whole of eternity. And then too soon have you forgotten your office of acting as my mother on earth. So while I chastise the people, I will come to take refuge and to dwell with you."
And I, "Ah, Lord, what is the purpose of my state of victim for so many years? What good has come to the peoples? You used to tell me that you wanted me victim in order to spare the people, and now you show how these chastisements, instead of happening many years ago, are happening later. Nothing more and nothing less than this." And he,
"My daughter, don't say this. I have been forbearing for love of you, and the good that came from this has been that while terrible chastisements were to rage for a very long time, because of this they will be shorter. Is this not a good? That instead of being under the weight of a chastisement for many years, one remains under it only for a few? Moreover, during the course of these past years, with wars and sudden deaths, they should not have had the time to convert. But they did, and were saved. Is this not a great good? My beloved, for now it is not necessary to make you understand the purpose of your state for yourself and for the peoples, but I will show it to you when you come to heaven, and on the day of judgment I will show it to all nations. Therefore, do not speak like this any more."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven, in the divine will, always.